All right, today I'm adjusting the height on the Benz. Um, my rear was a little bit too, like the left side was off a little bit, like it was a little bit too low. So I'm gonna take off both sides to make sure they is at the correct height. The front is good. I already checked the front. That's good. Main reason why the height was off because I just put some new tires on there. They a little bit wider than the old ones, and I noticed they was rubbing. So that's why I had to raise it up a little bit. So I raised it up, and I didn't really care about the adjusting the height. I was just trying to put them bitches on. But now I'm about to show y'all how to adjust the height on any bins that have the bag system, air suspension. Well, first you got to get the lower links. You got to get that first, the adjustable links, to even adjust your height to your car. So the tools you're gonna need for this job is a flathead, and that's all. Well, you're actually gonna need some pliers too, so you can tighten up the screw to adjust it. But you really just need a flathead. So I'm gonna show you where is it at. All right, turn the light on the phone instead of my head. Now that's your adjustable lower links. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all how to take it off. It's really easy. But I gotta show y'all how to put it back in because that's why I messed up the first time. When I first put these on, this little piece right here, I had it swiveled around this way. It's supposed to be swiveled around in the back. Because if you got swiveled around this way, it's just gonna lower the car all the way down. So you gotta make sure that's swiveled around in the back. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Oh, they both in the back. Oh, okay. All right. You gotta unclip that and take this off. Unclip that and take that off. I'm trying to get that top piece, which I can't get my hand around it. All right. So once you get both of them clips off, all you gotta do is just pull that back. Don't pull it too hard. Just do it slightly, cause you don't want to break the plastic part. Pull that back like that. That's what I was talking about. This little part that swivels up and down. Now you're gonna swing that up. All right, like I was saying, you're gonna swing this up. Pull this like back a little bit. Still hard to get to. Swing, put it back a little bit, not too hard. Okay, and we'll break this plastic part. Just play with it for a second until you find that sweet spot. There it is. All right. Once you get that off, now this is the height I want to adjust it to. A little bit lower like that. I just gotta match the other side to this. So this is what I was talking about. These two. See how this one a little bit shorter than this one? I want this one to be as tall as this one. So this is what you're gonna want to do. Basically, just it's really easy. Just just adjust it to the height that you want it to be. But I'm not moving this one. This one is fine. I just want to move this one up a little bit. Well, I could probably move this one down, probably a tad bit. Yeah, that's fine. I just want to make sure this one is the same height. Let me just adjust that real quick. All right, when I said get the pliers, because you're gonna want to tighten this up so it don't move. Now, don't tighten it up yet. Wait till you get to the car because you want to adjust it so you can put these back on in the spots. I'm gonna show y'all that in a few. All right. That's what I was just telling y'all about. Don't adjust it yet until you adjust it, because it got going these little circles or these little balls. It got going fit inside there. So you gotta make sure it's lined up right. So like this, these both facing this way. So I gotta turn this one to the back. Turn this one to the back. Make sure before you that all right. It's good. Back a little bit. I'd rather raise it up instead of go lower. That defeats the purpose of what I just did. Make sure that lined up with that. Now you can tighten it with the pliers. Because you got to hold this part too at the same time while you tighten this up. There it is. That's good. Wait, is it? That shit's solid. Let me see. Break that. Okay, that shit got loose a little bit. I don't know how the hell that got like that. All right. So the easiest way to put these back on is make sure this is flipped this way. As soon as I found the hole, flip that bitch over. See, it's a real easy job. It's just not really a tight spot. I'll take these damn gloves. I can't work with gloves on. All right. I'm going to fast forward this. All right, got that one in there. Now make sure you flip this sensor over, or else your shit will be on the ground. All right, then you just put this one in. All right, there it is. Now I had to loosen that screw up. So let me see if I can tighten it from there. All right, we good. Now let me just put this other clip in. All right. So once you finish everything, make sure you torque down your wheels and all that. Get all the jacks, do everything you're supposed to do. And you start the car. So the car can do its little dance and adjust to the new height. bit lower now. What the fuck? The back is fine. The front good. It ain't scraping or nothing. I mean, it ain't rubbing. Yeah, that's good. Let me move this car over a little bit. It's a little bit too close to my daggone G. Move to the right a little bit. The height is perfect. It ain't too high. It ain't too low. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna do another video of all the mods I got to the car.